pageant?
What made me join pageants, alam mo, wala lang. Gusto ko
mo
lang talaga. I just
Okay.
wanted to try everything as much as I can. Kaya, syempre, I was so young. I was around 17 or 18 years old when I joined. First, it was Bini Bini, and then it was
Okay.
Miss World. So, sabi lang ng manager ko noon, and yung mommy and daddy ko, very supportive sa lahat ng gustong gawin. Sige, go lang anak,
Yeah.
go lang kung anong gusto mo. Kasi, I mean, I was never after the crown. I just wanted to experience it. You know, something
Yes.
that where you could say when you get older na
Nagawa ko yan.
Nagawa mo yan, may makikwento ka sa mga apo mo, 'di ba? Parang yun yung mga badge mo sa buhay eh. So, talagang wala lang. Gusto ko lang talaga i-try. And oh my gosh, kung alam ko lang, ang hirap pala. Ang hirap.
Ano yung struggle bilang Miss World Philippines Third Princess? Ano ba, gaano ka kahirap?
Mahirap talaga. Kasama na dyan yung physically fit ka.